Alright, hi guys, so this video is going to be a what's in my baby bag video, and this is my baby bag. Is a Michael Kors diaper bag rather. It has these two straps, well yeah, two. It can be worn like this, like a handbag, and it can remove these, and then it can be worn with the bigger strap. Personally, I like using it like a handbag without the bigger strap, but when it's a little bit heavier like today, I like to use the thicker strap with it. Alright, so let's just jump right in. So first I have my purse, which is on top, and this is a Michael Kors purse as well. This I bought this purse with my bag, the is it the Selma satchel, I believe it's called, and it's just like a zip up bag, you know, stuff in there. Just a zip up wallet rather, purse. Then I have his little comforter, not little, kind of big. So this is just a little comforter that I carry with me, you know, so that I can probably, if he needs to lay down or something, I can put it on a bed or like somewhere to make a makeshift bed. So I have this in here, and I have his little medical kit in here as well, and it's just American Red Cross. And in it was a gift actually from my friend. She bought it abroad. So this has the little sucker thingy to pull out your nose knot. You know, all the time people suck out them nose, which I have no problem sucking out my son's nose. I've never done it, but if push come to shove, I will shove push. Push come to shove, I will shove push. If push come to shove, I will push shove. If push come to shove, I will suck out my son's nose. I don't have a problem with it. So then you have this little thingy here. I think it's a measuring where you kind of you scoop it up, and it measures that medicine and stuff. Then I have his thermometer, which is like the best thing in here for me, because I use this the most. Because I'm a new mother, I was taking this temperature. His thermometer here, and then I have this the spoon thingy as well. So what this is you put the medicine in here, put it in here, and you measure how much he would need, and then you have it filter through to give to feed him or her, whatever sex your child is. And over here I just have the paperwork that comes with it. This is the inside of it. Then I have diapers, just some extra diapers in here. And this, so everything that I just took out was from the big part. This is from the smaller part. The smaller part here, and the smaller part also has nothing else. So that's that. Back to the big part. I have his wipes in this little Mickey Mouse thingy, and it's just the one that opens and you take it out. I prefer the one that you pull out, that you don't have to do all the work, but I really like this for travel. Very, very sleek. Then I have this rag so that when I'm breastfeeding, I just put this over my breast, and it's a little bit more, you know, I don't know, it hides. And I have his babe auntie's dinner date, and this is a gift from his auntie. Auntie's dinner date, that's what it says. So, but I think this one is dirty. Yeah, that's dirty. Then I have his little, this comes with the bag. It's like, let me show you, it's like one of these things, like just changing pad, and I'm not sure if I can see, but the Desitin stain it right here. But this is changing pad, and it's really soft. Not really, it's not extra soft, but it's soft enough. So if I need to do a makeshift bed, then this definitely helps to do like a makeshift bed along with this comforter. Then I have a pair of socks in here. Come on. Yeah, just like a pair of socks. I like keeping a pair of socks in here. I like keeping shirts in here and stuff like that too. Speaking of which, this is an extra top for him, or shirt, or we call it pin under. So it's an extra pin under because it pins under, which is straightforward. So there's an extra pin under that I have, that I carry around just in case him pick up something or whatever. Then I have his little hat. Then I have a pacifier, or soda as you call it in Jamaica, but him don't use him soda that much, so because grandma said I give him gas. Then I have an extra shorts in here for him as well, just in case. And then I have a pen, which is of course for me. And on the, so that's that for the bigger portion of the bag. So for the sides up here is where the bottles can go, but over on the first side I have his Desitin, and this is just for chafing. And I have a little paper that I used to probably wipe my face in there. And I have, hold on, let me just grab everything. I have, oh, I have bubble gum. I didn't know bubble gum was in there. A double bubble. So I have double bubble. Then I have hand sanitizer, and I have a little nail clip on that side. And on the other side, over here, that the bottle can go into as well, I have my book, because whenever it's up by you, they give us a book. So I have that just in case. And oh, that's it. And this is a nail file for him. Okay, so for the other side, we have 4 pockets over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the smaller pocket right at the front here, there's nothing. The bigger pocket I have is passport. This is like baby book. And I have like a bill here. And the other side, oh, I have, oh, 1 more pair of socks. And another pair of socks. Alright. And then I have his little armband thingy, male infant of Simone Henry. This is what we get at the hospital. Oh, when did that happen? This is what we get at the hospital, and yeah, I keep it. What else? The front part. Oh, again, male infant of Simone Henry. Oh, this, so one was on his hand and the other was on his foot. So that's that. And the bag is completely empty. So these 2 things here, I stick them in the part where the bottle's supposed to go, where his desitin was. And these are for the stroller, to clip on to the stroller. But I don't use them because we don't start using the stroller yet. I mean, he's just 3 months, so I can still manage to carry him. And that's it. The bag is completely empty. And I actually bought this on eBay. Came with the original packaging, the authenticity card and everything. And this is his baby bag. I know whenever, like this that's in there now is the heaviest it's probably ever going to be, unless we're going out like after the weekend where I pack clothes. Now this thing can be packed. I mean packed. I don't know, it's that heavy. I just use this strap. Now I've carried this much in there plus my laptop, and my laptop is very heavy. So I carry this much in there plus my laptop, my iPad, and just about anything that I need to carry, and it holds everything. The only thing is just the weight that's on it. So if I'm going to carry my laptop, I carry my other bag, I carry my bag, and then I carry Jay's bag. But yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. Nothing else to say. His bag is completely empty. Thank you for so many of you who requested it. I really like filming what's in my bags. If you guys want me to do like a designer handbag collection, let me know. Mind you, all my bags are Michael Kors, just saying. So if you want me to do that, just let me know. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video.